How to use your front-load washing machine. Front-load washing machines have become increasingly popular in recent years, thanks to their energy efficiency and ease of use. However, if you've never used a front-load washing machine before, you may be unsure of how to operate it effectively. Here at Shoppiverse PH, we'll take a closer look at how to use front-load washing machines and know how they work. How front-load washing machines work. Front-load washing machines are designed to use less water and energy than top-load machines. This is because the drum of the machine is positioned horizontally, and the clothes are tumbled through the water as the drum rotates. This not only uses less water but also ensures that the clothes are washed more thoroughly. Front-load washing machines also tend to be gentler on clothes, as the drum doesn't have an agitator like top-load machines. This means that your clothes are less likely to get tangled or damaged during the wash cycle. How to use a front-load washing machine. First, loading the clothes to your washing machine. Before you start using your front-load washing machine, you'll need to load it with your clothes. To do this, open the door of the machine and place your clothes inside. Make sure not to overload the machine, as this can lead to poor washing results. Next is adding detergent. The next step should be to add detergent to the machine. Most front-load washing machines have a detergent dispenser located in the front of the machine. Simply add the recommended amount of detergent to the dispenser and close the door. The amount of detergent depends on the load of the machine. The third step is to select the wash cycle. Once you've loaded the machine and added detergent, you'll need to select the wash cycle. Front-load washing machines usually have a variety of wash cycles to choose from, including normal, delicate, and heavy-duty. Choose the cycle that best suits your laundry needs. The fourth step is to start your washing machine. Once you've selected the wash cycle, you're ready to start the machine. Simply press the start button, and the machine will begin the wash cycle. You can monitor the progress of the wash cycle by looking at the display panel on the front of the machine. When the selected wash cycle is complete, get the clothes from the machine and hang them outside and let them dry using the sun. In case that you have a dryer machine, you can transfer them to the dryer and start your drying machine. In summary, using a front-load washing machine is relatively easy once you know how it works. Simply load the machine, add detergent, select the wash cycle, and start the machine. By following these simple steps, you can easily wash your clothes in less amount of time and effort. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.